Today, 40% of electricity is converted into motion by motors in buildings and industrial application. As demand on them grows, energy efficiency is critical. Sustainable motors reduce carbon footprints and help reach net zero goals. Our premium efficiency motors, IE3, IE4, and IE5, offer efficient solution for today's green energy demand. These motors can reduce energy losses by up to 30%, help tackle climate change and resources shortage. Upgrading to CMP motors improves efficiency, reduces CO2 emissions, and enhance reliability. They lower temperatures, extend motors' life, and reduce maintenance costs. CMP IE3, IE4, and IE5 motors can directly replace standard efficiency motors, simplifying upgrades. This shift supports environmental and sustainability goals. How CMP produce IE3, IE4, and IE5 longer and wider design body frame. Longer and wider design rotor. Larger diameter copper wire is used. Thinner and higher quality silicon lamination in the stator. Rotor core reduces core loss. Optimized cooling fan design to reduce windage loss. High-quality bearings are used to reduce friction losses. Air gap control. Achieve greater sustainability, safety, and productivity with CMP IE3, IE4, and IE5 motors. Energy saving, lower absorbed power compared to IE1 and IE2. Lower running temperature, better environment, low CO2 emission. Increase reliability. Reduce maintenance downtime.